In this video, we will discuss ACCEPT-D trial. This trial was designed to assess effect of aspirin in combination with simvastatin for the prevention of cardiovascular events in patients with diabetes. The objective of the trial was to evaluate efficacy of low-dose aspirin in the primary prevention of major cardiovascular events in diabetic patients on statin therapy. It was a prospective, randomized, open-blinded endpoint evaluation trial which included 5,461 patients which were followed up over a mean period of 5.7 years. These patients were randomized to receive either aspirin 100 mg daily along with simvastatin 20 mg or simvastatin alone. Now moving to inclusion criteria. Patients at least 50 years of age with type 1 or type 2 diabetes with no clinically manifest cardiovascular disease on treatment with simvastatin or LDL levels 100 or more than 100 persisting after 3 months of dietary advice were included in this trial. Previous major vascular events, poor metabolic control, clear indication for treatment with aspirin, contraindications to aspirin or simvastatin, chronic use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, presence of any life-threatening condition, premenopausal women not using reliable contraception, and active substance or alcohol abuse within the last year were the exclusion criteria. Now moving to the primary endpoint. A combined endpoint of cardiovascular death, non-fatal myocardial infarction, non-fatal stroke, or inpatient or outpatient hospital admission for cardiovascular causes including acute coronary syndrome, peripheral vascular disease, not planned revascularization procedures was the primary endpoint. Now moving to secondary endpoints. Total mortality, cause-specific mortality, total number of hospitalizations for cardiovascular causes, major hemorrhagic events, venous thromboembolic episodes were the secondary endpoints. Now moving to the results of trial. The rate of major cardiovascular endpoints was 10.7% in the combination group, while in the simvastatin alone group it was 11.4%. So the rate of major cardiovascular endpoints did not differ significantly between two treatment groups. In addition, no significant difference was observed between two treatment arms with reference to secondary endpoints. So the conclusion of the trial was no additional cardiovascular benefit beyond simvastatin therapy was observed with the use of aspirin in patients with diabetes without clinically manifest vascular disease. So these are the references you can go through for further details.